Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and happy Valentine's Day. I hope that your day is full of love and light, and that you hopefully have some fun plans. But if you're looking for something or you don't have any plans at all and you need something, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 simple, easy Valentine's Day brunch ideas, because I'm hoping that you already have like a dessert planned or something like that, and this is Celebrity Sweets and we don't make dinners. The brunch items we are going to make today are going to be some fun mini Heart Stack Waffles, some bacon and egg hearts, and a Strawberry Banana Smoothie. The first treat we're going to make are going to be our mini stack waffles, and the ingredients for this recipe are waffle batter, maple syrup, fresh strawberries, whipped cream, sprinkles. The first thing we're going to do is kind of spice up and elevate our waffle batter, and the waffle batter I'm using is the same one we made in the Meghan Trainor Treat Myself video, so just check it out. But this time I'm going to elevate it just by adding some sprinkles and using a spatula, fold it in. So our waffle batter is all mixed, and now we can start to make these waffles. But now to make the waffles, follow your waffle maker instructions.
Oh, we got a gusher.
So we've just made our waffles in that tiny waffle iron, and over here I just have 3 that we are going to stack. And then over here I have all the stuff that we're going to fill these waffles with. This can totally change for you. You can add whatever you'd like. I'm just going to create kind of a layered effect. I'm going to start by taking some strawberries and layer them on the inside, along with some whipped cream. And then I've got some maple syrup, which I'm going to drizzle over the top and sprinkle on a few extra sprinkles. And here we have it, our little waffle stack that we made. A perfect treat for any brunch or even breakfast. But now let's move on to our second treat, our bacon and egg hearts. The ingredients for these bacon and eggs is, well, bacon and eggs. When you love someone, you make room. The first thing we're going to do to make these bacon and eggs is take our bacon, a metal heart cookie cutter, and a frying pan over to the stove. On medium-high heat, place your metal cookie cutter in the center. Then fold in some bacon to fill that heart shape. Allow the bacon to cook for 2 minutes or until golden brown, and remove the heart cookie cutter. Flip the bacon over and cook for another 2 minutes. Once you've cooked your bacon, then in the same pan, place your metal cookie cutter back and crack in your egg. Cook until their whites are firm and the yolk is how you'd like it. And here we have our bacon and egg hearts that we made. Bacon and eggs pair so well together in general. This is just a really fun and easy way to take something that you already might make and just turn it into something even more festive. But now let's move on to our last thing, our Strawberry Banana Smoothie. The ingredients for this Strawberry Banana Smoothie are 2 cups of frozen strawberries, 1.5 cups of vanilla yogurt, 1 whole banana, a tablespoon of honey, and some fresh strawberries to decorate. The first thing in making this smoothie is we are going to take our frozen strawberries, vanilla yogurt, honey, and our banana. Hello. And now let's blend it up. So we've blended together all of our ingredients and formed this strawberry banana smoothie. So now we can pour it into our glass. The glass I am using is a mason jar I found at Target. And at Target I also found these paper straws, and I'll put links to both of these in the description below. Over here I've also got some more bananas and strawberries, kind of just to decorate our glass. Simply pour your strawberry banana smoothie into your mason jar, add in the straw, and top it however you'd like. And here we have them, all of our last minute Valentine's Day brunch ideas that we made today. We started off by making a waffle stack using a mini waffle maker. We then made some hearts out of bacon and eggs, which pair so well together. And we finished it off by making a strawberry banana smoothie, put it into a jar with a heart straw. These are the perfect Valentine's Day brunch ideas if you're on the go, if you need something really quick, if you don't have anything, and they can be enjoyed and shared with anyone. If you do happen to make these, please share them with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Until next time, have a happy Valentine's Day, savor life, and make it sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donny right here. If you're looking for more content, up here is my newest video where I made some Grammy-inspired microphone ice cream cones. And down here is what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys this Sunday.